Hello, my name is Stephanie Ross, level lead from Sharer Elementary. Welcome, teachers. Today I'm here to talk to you about the Aspire AISD program. Aspire AISD is the overarching name for our leadership development program here in our district. Aspire AISD mission is to create, refine, and support exceptional leadership development programs for teachers, school, and central office leaders to positively impact students' learning and well-being. Aspire AISD work began several years ago through collaboration from the Host Work Center. The first step of this process was to develop a leadership definition. We wanted to create a clear explanation of what we value in AISD, and all of our leadership development programs are aligned with indicators of our leadership definition. Within our Aspire program, we are working on developing supports for three distinct leadership pathways: teacher, which you are currently a part of, school, and central office. When it comes to the teacher leadership pathway, we want the very best teachers to stay in the classroom for as long as they would like, while still developing their leadership strengths and impacting the teaching and learning at their campus. Thank you for serving in this capacity. If you ever decide to leave the classroom, we offer two other pathways. Each pathway comes with different types of job-embedded supports and learning opportunities, and you are free to move to the pathway that best fit your desires. As previously mentioned, our supports and learning opportunities within the leadership pathway are centered around AISD's leadership definition. In-district staff created this definition to outline the leadership behaviors that are most critical to the success of our culture and performance. From there, they identified 16 key leadership behaviors such as high expectations, goal-oriented, strategic thinker and decision maker, takes action, focus-driven, and planning and organization. Then, from those 16 behaviors, they were sorted to three main categories: passion for the work, commitment to personal growth, and dedication to the team. Finally, those categories were encapsulated by cultural tenets that you see typed in black along the triangles. Own our own word, respond positively to differences, make every interaction count, get better every day, put students first, and promote risk-taking. Passion for the work. For each of the 16 leadership behaviors, specific actions have been listed for each level of leadership. As a department lead or level lead, you fall in the category of leader of others. You align a team focus and work towards campus goals. You engage others in actions that have a direct impact on school-wide goals and priorities. Leader of self behaviors. This tool can be used in a variety of ways. It serves as a blueprint of what we want leadership to look like here in Arlington. It supports people who are wanting to move up in an organization by clearly showing them what skills are required for the next level of leadership. It can be used as a self-evaluation and goal-setting tool. You can reflect your leadership on each of the areas and determine areas that you're great at, which you can maximize even more, or areas that you may need more development. It also helps us develop high potential leaders and celebrate outstanding leadership. And lastly, it helps us align application and interview processes back to a core base of a shared understanding about what leadership is. As a member of the Aspire program, you're receiving learning opportunities around specific leadership behaviors from our leadership definition. Our primary goal is to help you develop leadership behaviors. This concludes my presentation. If there are any questions, please contact me at sross3@aisd.net. Thank you for your time.